Welcome to this workout. Today we're working on belly fat, the booty, and your thighs. Let's go. We are starting off with hip swings. You're just going to, swing your hips all sexy like and add in your arms for a little bit of flair. This is awesome to warm up your whole body, get you in the mood, get you feeling sexy because you are. Welcome back. Ooh, welcome back. Welcome back. All right, rocking squats. You're kind of in a squat position, but not really. And you're just rocking from side to side because you got this, left, right, That's all you have to do. Keep your abs engaged. There you go. You're already killing the warm up. You're doing awesome already. Okay, next up we have hip swings again. Keep those ab muscles engaged. Good. Add in your arms. We want your whole body to be warm. This workout is fast, it's furious, and it is amazing. Go on, you want to rock from side to side. This is the last move for the warm-up. After this, we're going to get into the workout, and let me just tell you in advance that you are going to be glad you worked out today. Are you ready? Are you even ready? I think you are. Okay, let's get started. Our first move is going to be a side lunge. As you see me do here, you want to make sure your core is engaged and you're just lunging from side to side without actually moving your legs. Let's do it. This is good. You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep going. It's the first move. Just do your best. Nice. Good. Keep those abs sucked in. Awesome. Try not to let your knees go too far past your toes, but if it does a little bit because you have long legs or for whatever reason, it's fine. It's fine. Just don't overdo it. You get what I mean? All right, here's the fun part. Just dance it out. Oh my goodness, that was awesome. Let's move on to squats. Remember to pretend to be sitting back into a chair. Good. Just 30 seconds. Go, 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 go. Don't stop. Try to make sure your knees don't go too far past your toes. A little bit is fine, but too much is not really good for you. Good. Just a few more. One more. Awesome. Back into that freestyle dance. Look at you go. That was awesome. All right, we're going to do a deadlift here. I'm not using any weights, but if you have some light weights you want to use, that's fine. Just make sure your abs are engaged and your back is flat. Good. Keep those abs engaged. Awesome. And just pretend you're lifting some dumbbells off of the floor. The key here is to make sure that your back is flat throughout this movement. You're doing good. Just a couple more. And you already know what's coming up after this. You already know. Are you ready? Let's go. Ooh, this is awesome. Next up, you have forward lunges. And it's super easy. If you've been doing my workouts, you already know how to do this. Keep your abs engaged. We're doing all the lunges on just one leg for this first round. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. I told you this is fast. This is furious. We are not here for games. Good. Keep going. Take that big step forward. Don't let your back knee touch the floor. Keep your abs engaged at all times. I love what you're doing. You are awesome. Remember, it's just one leg. It's the same leg. We just want to hammer that leg out. And you already know what we're about to do next, right? Let's go. Get it, Beyonce? We're going to do those lunges on the other leg. Same thing. Abs are engaged. Big step forward. Back knee doesn't touch the floor. We're killing it. Let's go. Do your best. Just do your best. Go for it. You know what's coming up next, right? Let's dance. We're going back to those side lunges again. Keep your abs engaged and just lunge from side to side. Are you ready? All right, let's do it together. Good, good. Just keep going. Go as deep as you can go, but don't push it too far. Just do your best. You're moving. That's all that matters. Just a few more seconds. And you already know how we do. Let's go. All right, you guys, squats. We're going back to those squats. Keep your abs engaged. With this round of squats, we're going for speed. So move as quickly as you can manage. Don't worry, your break is coming. Just hang on, have faith, think positive. You got this. You're here. You're here and you're doing this. Let's go. Keep going. Push, 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 push. Just a couple more. Just do it. Just do it. You can handle it. You got this. It's almost the fun part. All right, let's dance it out. You are having way too much fun with this workout, you know? You really are. Deadlifts. Keep those abs sucked in and pretend you're pulling dumbbells off of your feet. Can you do that? I think you can. I know you got this. Let's go. After this, we have one more round of dancing and you get a break. Isn't that amazing? Keep going. Just a few more. Abs tight. Good. Keep that back straight. Good. All right, give me your best moves. That was amazing. Go ahead and take just under a minute to rest. If you need a longer break, you can just pause the video. That is totally fine. I encourage that. If you haven't done so already, take a second, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free for you and it just makes my heart so happy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm really trying to hold myself back from singing. It's very difficult not to sing during these breaks. I have to tell you that. I have to tell you that. All right, I'm sorry. Let's get into those side lunges. Abs are engaged and you are lunging from side to side. We've got just 30 seconds of this. Can you handle 30 seconds of this? I know you can. Let's go. You're looking good. You're doing so good. You are more than halfway through this workout. Can you even believe that? You are doing so amazing. Keep going. All right, you already know what's coming next. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Can I just say that was awesome? That was awesome. We're going to go into our squats again. Abs are engaged. You're pretending to be sitting back into a chair. You're going as quickly as you can manage, but go at your own pace. Your pace is good enough. Good job. Oh my goodness, you are killing this workout. You have no idea. Just keep going. That's all you have to do. Just follow my lead and just keep moving. That's all you got to do. You can make it to the end. You really can. You will. Just go. Hang in there. Abs tight. Sit back. Good. Drop it. Good, good, good. All right, let's get into dancing. You are too much fun. Deadlifts, abs are engaged, back is flat, and you're pretending to pick something off the floor. You got it? I think you do. Let's do it. Good. Just keep doing this. This is really good for your posterior chain. That is everything in the back of your body. You know, the good stuff. That just sounded so weird. Why did I have to say it like that? Let's just keep doing the workout. You're doing good. Keep going. Awesome. Let's dance. You're the best. Seriously. Forward lunges. Abs are tight. Remember, we're doing this on just one leg. We're going to kill that one leg. 30 seconds. Keep your abs engaged. Good. You are doing amazing. You are doing amazing. You're almost at the end. Keep going. Don't stop. Stay focused. Good, good, good. Almost there. Almost there. Let's do it. Hey. All right, forward lunge on the other side. Let's go. You're doing a good job. Just keep going. Don't stop for anything. Just keep going. Push, push, push. Do your best. You got this. You could do this. I'm so excited for you. You are one workout closer to your goal. You're doing the work. That is awesome. Freestyle this. Side lunges. This is our last set of side lunges. Are you ready for this to be over yet? Don't be. Don't be. Just a few more moves. Go as deep as you can on that side lunge, but don't sweat it if you can't go too deep. Just do your best. Awesome, awesome. Abs engaged. Positive thoughts. Good. I is strong. I is important. I is doing my workout. I is about to dance in 2 seconds. Are you ready? Squats. Last set of squats. Last set. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Abs are tight and you are dropping into that imaginary chair. Try not to let those knees go too far past your toes. A little bit is okay. Too much is not a good idea. Go for speed. This is your last round. Just go hard. You got this. You got this. Your pace is good. Just push through. Are you even ready? Yes. Last round of deadlifts. Abs are engaged, back is flat, and you are lifting imaginary dumbbells off of your feet. Squeeze your booty on the way up. Squeeze that booty on the way up. That is kind of important. Maybe I should have said that sooner in the workout, but next time you do this workout, now you know, make sure you squeeze your booty on the way up. I'm sorry. I'll remember to say that earlier next time. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Let's dance it out. You made it. You made it. You made it to the end. You made it. You made it. You made it to the end. Hey, go you. You worked out today. That was awesome. Let's go ahead and cool down. Hey, Koboko, focus. Koboko. What is she doing? Let's cool down. We're gonna go into a deep lunge. I'm sorry. Sometimes you just gotta find your happiness however you can find it. Get that nice deep lunge in. Good. Switch legs, do the same thing. Nice stretch in front of your thigh. You have worked so hard today. It is kind of insane the amount of work you've done. Go ahead and do a forward bend. Go through your own range of motion. Do what feels good to your body. In your own time, slowly roll up and just stand up. Just take your time. There is no rush. Finally, I want you to put a small bend in your knee. Give yourself a big hug. I just want to remind you once again that you are awesome. You are valuable. You have something amazing to bring to this world. And you did something awesome for yourself today. You worked out today. And I just think that's the best thing ever. So thank you for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you in my next workout video.